While we were on the east side, we went to see my parents' new boat in Everett. My parents' boat is over there. The last time we had seen it was when they were in the purchasing process, and it was on the Hard in Bellingham. There's Grampy. Hi, Grampy. My parents cleaned it up and cruised to Everett, where they have kept their other boat for years. I'm sharing their boat tour here because, for one, it's a showstopper when it comes to boats in our area.
Wow, look at that boat.
Oh my gosh, look at Grammy. Grampy's boat. It's so big.
Looks great.
We've seen quite a few people on the dock stop and ask some questions about it. Also, because we were able to cruise with them a bit this summer, which you'll see in another video. So this is a nice introduction to Sea Cat.
Wow.
Wow, it's so much nicer.
Cleaner than it used to be. And the windows look awesome. Yeah.
I've asked my dad to share some details on their unique boat.
Our boat is Sea Cat. She is a Catfisher catamaran built in 1978 by Fairways Marine in England. Sea Cat is number 28 of 56 total built. She is made by the same builder as the popular Fisher Monohull Sailboats.
That's great. This looks really like brand new. It is. This is brand new?
Yeah.
Oh, is this the tarp you were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It looks great.
Yeah,
Looks custom. I kind of, or it is custom.
This is from Amazon,
custom.
and then you customized it.
Just made it 2 inches wider and 6 inches on the grommets here and no grommets on here. And they did all that for the same price.
Really?
Yeah, I gave him a card to charge me more, but he never did.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I almost like it better than the other one because it just feels a little bit less heavy. It's a little bit lighter feeling having this stuff.
Yeah.
But
matches perfectly.
yeah, I was really happy. We'll see what we do in the long run, but for now it's great.
Yeah.
The only thing is, I mean, the other one didn't do a great job of keeping water from coming down right here, and this one will even do less, but you know, no big deal.
Yeah.
Looks so clean.
Looks cleaner at night too, but it is pretty clean. I mean,
Looks pretty cool.
we've been working on it quite a bit. Sea Cat is 28 feet in length with a beam of 13 feet. She is a ketch rig. She has 2 staterooms forward, an aft quarter berth, a nice sized galley, a full head, and a large and comfortable main cabin. The aft cockpit is spacious and the foredeck is huge.
Yeah. That's kind of nice.
Ah.
Wow, this looks awesome. Wow. Looks killer. What's under here?
Open it.
So it's a map.
Oh, cool.
Your navigation station.
Awesome.
Is this your little bar stool for when you when
right
you're
now.
being a skipper?
It's a multi-purpose bar stool, right?
Well, what else do you do with it?
A table.
Sit
Oh, you sit in it?
Put things on it, or put
You mean
your
you
feet up
don't
on
sit here and then like go like this?
That's
One
cool.
of us will use that tonight.
Very cool.
Go down with train.
Oh, this is cute. Is this your bed?
Yeah. The other bed is behind the galley. So the boys that they can stay in.
Is this like a dressing area?
Yeah. And then there's a door there too, so it's private. I told the boys they can sleep here in that bed. They go together.
Wow.
Yeah, but that's
We'll leave it like a pillow. Fancy.
that they can have one head on the other side.
Because you might touch your brother.
Yeah.
Go down the other side, Jen.
Yeah.
Go see my galley.
Overall, I would say that Sea Cat is the perfect boat for us. We feel very lucky to have found her.
Yeah. Right there.
Fancy.
And you can just stand there. It's a nice, convenient refrigerator.
Yeah, you know, we saw,
Of course, we've been in it a couple
what's that brand?
but
The Fontaine Peugeot. They had a Power Cat that the galley was up in the pilot house, and the little mini fridge, or the fridge, was down like right here.
That's dumb.
So you had to cross over and go down to get anything out of your fridge. It was bizarre.
Yeah, because this is pretty handy because it's right, you know, in arm's length.
Mm-hmm. This is pretty. So where's your covers?
Oh, they're behind the seats.
just for the front half. This back side we didn't do them.
Yeah, see? This.
Oh, that's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
He redid all these circuit breakers both here and up there, and sent me some pictures of them. He did it really. I mean, he was an engineer. That's the kind of thing he did really well.
Uh-huh. It's not as big as your yacht.
Not a yacht.
No, it's supposed to be a yacht.
Yeah.
There, right there.
Technically, it is a yacht.
Here's your chocolate milk.
Very
Do you guys want a fancy cup or anything with your bubblies?
No thanks. It's a nice seating. So where do you sit?
Where do I sit?
Yeah, when you're underway.
Right here
Granny.
on this bench.
Granny, are you supposed to sit right here when you're driving?
Well, you can put your foot up there. We put our slippers on it, and we put them away right now.
Is there a little compartment under there for
Yeah.
storage?
Yeah,
There are.
you can open it.
Is there storage under each of your seats?
That is the motor. That's where the motor is.
Small
I thought you
motor.
have two motors or
Yeah.
two engines.
No, it's one engine.
Oh,
An
that's
outboard
right.
engine?
Their upward engine is for their dinghy.
And underneath this is the cabinets in the galley.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, sure. Thank you. Thanks for coming. So glad you did.
Let me help you. Let me get out and hold the boat.
San Diego.
Smells like San Diego?
Well,
I
definitely.
don't know if that's a good thing.
No, San Diego smelled good.
Did it?
Santa Barbara was kind of smelly.
Like oil or
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we floated away for the dock.
Oh no, you thought we floated away?
I thought we did.
Oh, it does look like we did,
Yeah,
huh?
because we can't see them.
Let me get down there
This
first.
is so big.
I know, it's going to be nice to sit. Drink my coffee out there.
Do you have a
You need to
stereo
get a
over
little. Oh yeah, you need to get a little
We need
table thing.
Yeah.